guys, this is Akilan from Akilan Tech. Guys, if you're a regular follower of me, you might have observed that the setup around me has changed. So I'm thinking of keeping this setup as a primary setup. What do you think of this setup and your opinions in the comment box below? And if you also have any suggestions, you can let me know in the comment box below because I'll try to make those changes also happen in my setup. There are so many e-commerce websites, popularly the Amazon, Flipkart and the Banggood and some of the other e-commerce platforms. But mostly our Indian guys just use the Amazon and Flipkart because they are just trustworthy. So actually, how do these Amazon and Flipkart make money? Because if you see the world's richest person is the Jeff Bezos and he is the present CEO of the Amazon company. So actually, how do these e-commerce websites just make the money? Let's see that in this video. So let's get started. The Amazon company makes money through its retail subscriptions and the web services. The retail market remains the Amazon's primary source of income. Amazon company ranks as one of the world's top company by the market value of around $1.6 trillion by the 9th of August 2020. The first one is the fixed subscriptions. If you see guys, the registered sellers who have registered on the Amazon website or any other e-commerce website post their products on this platform for a fixed rate of subscription. So this subscription rate is a profit rate for the Amazon company, not only for the Amazon company but also for the other e-commerce website. So subscription rate is one of the major source of income for the Amazon company or any other e-commerce website. For example, I think you know the Amazon Prime Video. It is a subscription based service. There is a video online content service. So with all the users who have subscribed to the Amazon Prime Video, the Amazon company will get all these profits that has been gathered from the Amazon Prime services, and this money directly will be going to the Amazon company. Second one is the commission rate. In the e-commerce website, we find so many products. There are so many categories of products in the e-commerce website. And based on the product category, the company, that is the e-commerce website, charges the registered sellers a certain percentage commission based on the value of the product that has been sold in the e-commerce website. This commission generally ranges from 5% to 20%, and this is not the fixed rate for the e-commerce website. It will be differing from the different kinds of e-commerce website, like Flipkart will have one rate and Amazon will have one rate. You can see on the screen the Flipkart and Amazon commission rates, and this applies same to the other e-commerce website like the Alibaba, Banggood and other e-commerce services. The third one is the logistics. Logistics are nothing but they are just the shipping rate. The Amazon, Flipkart and any other companies, they take the extra money from the users, that is you and me, as a shipping rate. With this delivery charges and a shipping rate also, the Amazon company, not only Amazon, Flipkart and other e-commerce services will be benefited from shipping rates and the delivery charges. The fourth one is the setting up targeted audience. Guys, if you want to buy any gadget or any other thing from the online, what do? You will just type that particular gadget in the Google Chrome search engine or any other search engine. So when you just type that product out there and you just click on the search icon, on the right side of your screen, if you just observe clearly, on the right side of your home page, you will find that particular gadget link, that is a buying link from the different e-commerce website like the Amazon, Flipkart and any other one. So what do you do after seeing that link? Of course, you just click that link and you'll buy that product. So for the ad to be displayed, the e-commerce website will spend some money. Like say if you just want to buy an iPhone and just click on iPhone, and you'll find that iPhone link, there is a buying link on the right side of your homepage, and you'll just buy that. So actually what happens is that the Amazon company will specifically show that particular link, that is a particular gadget, to the targeted audience. For example, if you want to buy iPhone 11, it will show iPhone 11 link. Or if you want to buy any other smartphone or any other gadget, then that particular link will be only shown to you and the other links will not be shown. So with this, the Amazon company will also be benefited because they will be reaching so many audience and many of the people will buy their products. Fifth one is the sponsorships. When you want to just buy a gadget in the e-commerce website, when you type that particular product in the Amazon or any other e-commerce website search bar, and if you observe clearly, on the top of the home page, you will find the sponsored links. So what are these sponsored links is that the particular company, that is the particular sponsored ad that you are seeing, that particular company will give some money to the e-commerce website to showcase their product on the top of your homepage. Like if you're buying any type of product, on the top of your web page, you'll find that particular product. So in the other terms, you can just say it as promoting their product. They'll just promote their product so that if a user is not at all interested in buying the product also will buy that product because of the advertising they are doing. So in this way, the Amazon company will be benefited from the sponsorships and also from the promoters, that is the company promoters. Last one is the affiliate links or the associate links. Actually, the both terms which I am telling now are just similar, but it will be varying from the type of e-commerce website that you are using. Actually, what are these affiliate links is that if you are a social marketer like me, like I am a YouTuber, and if you own a website or you are a digital marketer, then when you want to earn money from a website, what do? You just try to keep affiliate link into your websites. These affiliate links are nothing but, for example, if you are just keeping a gadget link, there is an iPhone 11 link if you are keeping in your website. There is an affiliate link if you are keeping in your website. Then the audience, that is the regular audience or the unique visitors who visit your website, when they click on the affiliate link and when they buy a product from that link that you have provided, the Amazon company will pay you some share. 60 to 65% share will be given to you, and around 40% or 30% share will be taken by the Amazon company. And this commission rate will be varying on the type of product that you are buying. So in this way also, the e-commerce website will be benefiting from the affiliate links because they will be getting a little amount of share, and this little amount of share will also be useful for them for just expanding their market. And that's all from this video. I think you got a clear idea on how Amazon and Flipkart will earn money, not only these websites but other e-commerce websites. If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be more interesting. And that's it for me today. See you next time.